We talk about Walsh being so relevant and so business-centric and so aligned to the industry trends out there. It's absolutely the case, and my degree was a testament of that. My name is Vicki Kamenova, and I am a partner at EY's cybersecurity practice, where I'm responsible for the delivery of all of our cybersecurity services across the industrial manufacturing sectors. I'm born and raised in Bulgaria, and I was looking to come to the US in pursuit of higher education. In 2004, I got my bachelor's in business administration degree with a concentration in information technology. And in 2007, I returned back to Walsh to complete my information assurance degree and got my master's in 2010. The future of business is absolutely finding that right balance between being technology savvy and being business savvy. When I went to work and I considered coming back for my master's, I looked nowhere else. I knew that a degree from here would continue to give me that balance of business and technology. I understood that what I was learning here was not theoretics, it was theoretics with practical application, and in my master's degree I was able to take that and apply it directly to my day-to-day work. When I thought about what the difference of Walsh is compared to some of the big universities, it's really that individualized attention. And as an international student who was so new to everything in this country, from culture to language to academic programs and experiences, this made all the difference in the world for me.